Hello there and welcome into this video. Now in this video, I want to show you a really good way on how to make commentary videos by commenting on something that is viral. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first thing is first is I went to ChatGPT and asked it to give me some crazy ideas, and it came out with these really interesting ideas. And by the way, you have to really use the new power of ChatGPT to search the web. It can search YouTube, Google, and really provide you even with YouTube channels or feedback from YouTube channels, which is really fantastic because it just can provide you with some really out-of-the-box ideas. So here it actually gave me a lot of different ideas, and I picked the one which is Deng, the baby pygmy hippo. All right, so, and I'm going to go ahead and create a video about it. Now, I've taken a screen recording of about not more than 20 seconds of this particular pygmy footage, and I'm going to use it. But I want ChatGPT to comment about the pygmy for 20 seconds. So I'm going to say, write a voiceover to comment about the pygmy in 20 seconds to create a viral short. Then I can hit enter, and it will go ahead and proceed. So here it gave us this particular voiceover, which is really interesting. I'm not sure if this is going to be 20 seconds. I think it might be a little bit more, but let's try it out. So if I go ahead and paste this right here, let's generate a speech and check this one out. All right, so 1, 2, 3.
Meet Deng, the baby pygmy hippo stealing hearts worldwide. This adorable little hippo was born in Thailand, and she's already gone viral for her super cute moonwalk.
Actually, this is pretty long, so I'm going to say this needs to be shorter because my video, I'm not sure if that's 24 seconds. Yeah, my video is really short. Now, let me just go and check my video out, Deng, the pygmy hippo, and I'm not sure how big this video is. Let's hope it's 20 seconds. No, it's actually only 15. So I think that the second voiceover might work just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this particular voiceover and double click and paste. And if your YouTube short is 15 seconds, it's not bad. So
Meet Deng, the baby pygmy hippo stealing hearts worldwide. From her toothless grin to her viral moonwalk, this little hippo is bringing smiles everywhere.
Actually, I've added double.
Meet Deng, the baby pygmy hippo stealing hearts worldwide. From her toothless...
Regenerate, please, because this one was not good.
Meet Deng, the baby pygmy hippo stealing hearts worldwide. From her toothless grin to her viral moonwalk, this little hippo is bringing smiles everywhere.
So I'm going to download this, and then I'm going to go to Capcut and click Create a Project. Now, once you're at Capcut, first thing you want to do is you want to add the elements. So the first element that we're going to add in Capcut is nothing more than the Deng baby pygmy hippo video. So we need to add that as an asset. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop it into Capcut. I'm actually going to drag and drop it immediately into the editing cover. And then I'm going to go back for the voiceover part. Now, I'm not sure if I downloaded it. I think I did. Let's do it again just in case. And once you've added the video to Capcut, what we need to do is we need to be smart about resizing it. So I'm just going to wait for Capcut to load. All right, so this is the voiceover. I'm just going to go and drag and drop it right here. But first of all, I need to wait. All right, so let me do it again. Right, there you go. So I've just dragged and dropped it here, and I'm going to drag and drop it into the scene. And here, now it could have been a little bit bigger, but I think it's okay if it's like this. So first and foremost is I'm going to go ahead and go to the ratio aspect and change it to 9:16. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure this is a little bit bigger, but you want to right click, click Control C, and move the needle at the beginning, click Control V. Now the one that's at the top, I got to make it bigger. And then I'm going to put it below. And now it seems like I've done it wrong. So this one should be at the top. The other one should be below. Yep, kind of like this. And we need to take the one that's below, and we need to go ahead to the adjustment side of it, and we need to make sure that we just play a little bit with the colors here. So I'm going to play with the saturation a bit, decrease the saturation, decrease the exposure and the contrast. just so that people can tell that that's not the main video to check. And I'm going to take the one that's at the front, and this one I'm going to be a little bit better. I'm going to edit it better, so I'm going to add more elements to make it shine, like exposure highlights and so on and so forth. And so as you can see, this is kind of what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to add some sharpening and some clarity, and that's pretty much that. Now there is a part here that, I mean, it's okay if we leave it. Nobody's going to be able to see that. But it's okay if you make this just a little bit bigger, a tiny bit bigger, wouldn't do any harm. And we can move it right here. And I can take the voiceover and we can just edit the voiceover and add, more to it. Then I'm going to go to captions and I'm just going to go ahead and add captions. So if I click generate, it's going to generate some captions in English. And then we could put the captions in the middle. And this is what we call commentary video. Pretty straightforward, pretty fast. Doesn't take so much time, but has the potential of going viral. Now, your video can make 100 views, or it can make 10 million views or 100 million views, depending on how lucky you are with the algo. Now, I'm going to go to the templates. When it comes to the voiceover, I need to actually pick a template that I actually like. It's only one word at a time. It reveals one word at a time, and it's pretty good because it doesn't take so much space. So I'm going to click this one, and it will apply it. So it's actually applying it. Then I can move the needle right in the middle of one of these captions, and then I can just select all of them and make sure I place this slightly in the middle, and that's pretty much it. And you can see that the video is now ready. So if I go ahead and just download it, we can be able to watch this together. So just click export. Make sure you go ahead and choose where you want to download this. I'm just going to say cute hippo short, and you can go ahead and click the export button and just let it cook for a second. In the meantime, you can go to ChatGPT and you can say, write the short video title, description with hashtags and tags, all in an effort to make it viral. And while the video is being prepared or getting prepared, it's going to go ahead and prepare the title. So the title is Mudang, the baby pygmy hippo who's going viral, and some tags and descriptions with hashtags, and that's pretty much it. So I hope that you've enjoyed this particular lecture so far. And by the way, once the video is done, we'll be able to watch the result together.
Meet Mudang, the baby pygmy hippo stealing hearts worldwide. From her toothless grin to her viral moonwalk, this little hippo is bringing smiles everywhere.